Now repeat after me. Photobomb, 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 photobomb. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Photobomb refers to the act of unexpectedly jumping into someone's photo, usually in a humorous or disruptive way, without their knowledge or consent. It's often done as a joke to add an element of surprise or humor to the picture. Think of it like this. You're taking a nice picture and someone pops up in the background making a funny face. That's a photobomb. In a sentence, he photobombed their wedding picture by jumping into the background with a goofy expression. Here, photobomb refers to the act of unexpectedly appearing in the photo to add humor. Let's try another example. The dog photobombed every family picture by sitting in the corner and staring at the camera. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using photobomb. Synonyms. Some fun synonyms of photobomb are crash a photo, to unexpectedly show up in someone's picture. Sneak in a shot, appearing in a photo without the subject's knowing. Antonyms. The opposite of photobomb would be planned photo, a picture where everything is posed and no one unexpectedly joins in. Intentional photography, capturing a photo without any interruptions or surprises. Part of speech, photobomb is a verb, meaning it describes the action of unexpectedly appearing in someone else's photo. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.